The Federal Capital Territory FCT Police Command has advised the Nigeria Labour Congress NLC FCT Council to reconsider and reschedule its planned peaceful protest slated for Tuesday, February 3, 2026, citing security concerns and the need to safeguard public order. The command, in a statement issued by its public relations officer, Superintendent Josephine Adeh, said it was aware of the planned protest and reaffirmed its respect for the constitutional rights of citizens to peaceful assembly and lawful protest. Adeh also reiterated the police's commitment to providing adequate security for all lawful activities within the FCT. She added that intelligence reports available to security agencies indicate that members of the proscribed Islamic Movement of Nigeria, IMN, alongside other non-state actors, are planning to infiltrate and hijack the protest. For this reason, the command warned that such actions could undermine the peaceful nature of the protest and pose serious risk to public peace and security.